Hey folks, if you're having a hard time figuring out how to complete this first assignment, which is to, no, not that one. Sorry about that. It's to introduce yourself to the class and your instructor via email. And here's just a few things. One of the things that a couple of you have missed out on is after you sent your email, and I'll show you how to do the email as well. But after you send that email, you're going to need to populate this Dropbox up here. Okay, so there's two steps to it. So watch the video if you want to, but I'll just walk you through the whole thing here. So basically, go up, find the quick mail icon, and it might be somewhere else besides the upper right. You click on Compose New Mail, New Email. You'll see a list of all the people in our class. And just click All. If you're looking for your own name, it's not going to show up because typically you don't send email to yourself. And that's not always true, but in this particular system, your name is not going to show up. And if you notice, I'm not in this one, but once you look at it on your system, you'll see my name, but you won't see your own. So if you go down to the bottom of this, you can actually see two or three different sections here. One area, this top section, is for attachments. That's typically going to be where you place your Excel files. So you can drag and drop them in here. You can click on the little plus sign here that says Add. If you click on the Add sign, it'll allow you to be able to choose a file and then go find it on your own computer and upload it here. Sometimes students like to click and drag into here. And the way that you can do that is, I'll just go find a file here. Okay, so here's our data files, and I'll just find this little README first. I'll drag it over there, and it's there. And then you can begin to adjust these things by clicking on it. You could re-download it, you could delete it, you could do whatever. Okay, so I don't really want to do that here. What I want to tell you, do in this particular assignment is just say, assignment is completed. Email message to everyone. Okay, and I'll type some stuff down here and come here, decide whether or not I want to receive a copy, and then send the email. So I'm not going to do this, but that's how you would do the first portion of that assignment. The second portion of the assignment, which some of you, more than one for sure, have missed, is you need to go down to our first week and just beneath the update your contact information. And if you click on this link, introduce yourself to the class and your instructor via email, let's just pretend like we sent that email out to everyone. When we go all the way to the bottom here, and I have no attempt because I have not submitted this document or this Dropbox yet. It's not graded because I haven't submitted anything. And I still have 3 days and 14 hours. It's due on Sunday night at midnight. Not a big deal. So if I click on Add Submission, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. You can see that there's two boxes that look really similar to what you've done before. So again, we could go here, we could choose a file to upload, we could drag one in here if we wanted to, just like this. So I don't want to do that, but I could if I wanted to. I'm going to click on it, delete it. The only thing you need to do here is to tell me that the assignment is complete. I sent the email. And then, once you click the Save button, I'm going to show you what happens. So if you come back down here, and you look here at the submission status, it says that it's submitted for grading. It's not graded because I haven't done anything with it as your teacher. It's due Sunday, blah, 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 blah. And I wrote in there that the assignment is complete. I sent the email. So now we're done. And that's it. Hopefully that helps.